Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 22nd of July 2025. So today BURSA continue week. I don't think there will be a lot of momentum probably this week because we are quite near to the tariff start. Okay, tariff execution which is 1st of August. Okay, so if we couldn't get a deal done now and we couldn't get any extension, so the tariff will start to impact. Okay, and this will be 25% will be quite severe I think okay, to our exporters okay, and to our industry especially those electronic, those export to US electronic and this semiconductor, okay. And also there's of course there's a few things still not yet still unable to finalize okay, you guys. So you guys should, I think you guys know so I don't want to involve too much on those. Okay, you guys just check the news. We want to hear, we want to investigate, we want to see the chart, we want to see what KLCI, what our market is doing okay. So SUNCON also okay, SUNCON there's news coming out. That is continue bad news coming out. First EPF cut down their holding on SUNCON and also this they might have risk in the tender so they are speculating okay. So we want to check out the news okay, check out the news. Okay, a quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, now it's 4:26 okay, market almost closed okay, so let's check out BURSA first. Let's check out global first. Okay, KLCI 1521 dropped 3.54 points 0.232%. Singapore dropped 0.191%. Hong Kong up 0.544%. South Korea dropped 1.273%. Japan dropped 0.111%, Thailand dropped 1.082%, China FTSE up 0.745%, China SSE up 0.620%, and China SXSE up 0.839%. Australia up 0.104%, Taiwan dropped 1.511%, and India Nifty up 0.02%. So China slightly strong, others are a bit weak. Look at Europe, UK FTSE dropped 0.047% and DAX German dropped 0.590%. Okay, let's look at Dow, slightly weak Europe. Look at US Dow Jones dropped 0.043%, NYSE dropped 0.132%, S&P up 0.14%, and Nasdaq up 0.376%. So US slight momentum, okay. Oh, crude palm oil getting stronger 4,230 so watch the plantation sector, okay. Brent oil 68, crude oil 66, nothing much happening. Oh, gold 3,004 okay, 3,004, and silver 39.22 so a lot of this we are very close, we are nearing the next phase of this tariff execution so market is worried okay, worried, okay, fearful okay. US dollar against ringgit 4.2290. Look at Bitcoin 117, Ethereum 3,640. So Ethereum also retraced a bit. So we're quite far after this what do you call it? This breakout this movement okay. So now it's starting to slow down okay. Let's look at BURSA. Now it's 428 okay, almost close market. 1520 dropped 4.27 points, 0.28%. KLCI today volume down okay, today volume a bit low, 2.608 billion. Sentiment 35, gainers 342, losers 630, unchanged 475, and untrade 1031. Okay, foreign fund yesterday net sell 52 million, local institution net sell 36 million, local retail buy 88. Only retail buying, institution, local institution net sell, foreign fund net sell. Not good lah. Okay. Today CB got rebound. I told you lah, CB, we saw CB already. There is a potential, okay, a rebound lah. We already saw that. Okay. What else? NetGate. Not much lah. Okay. Okay, not much. Okay, let's look at this sector. Look at the construction. Oil in percentage, construction dropped 1.03%. Consumer up 0.13. Energy dropped 0.36. Finance, no movement. Healthcare up 0.29. Industry dropped 1.21. Plantation dropped 0.01. Property dropped 0.63. REIT up 0.01. Technology dropped 0.81. Doesn't look good, okay. Industry and technology starting to drop. Telco dropped 0.87. Transportation dropped 0.05. And utilities dropped 0.95. Okay. So as I said, remember, okay, now is not the time to throw in the kitchen sink. Okay. Can try keep a little and see what's the direction. Direction not good. Cut lah. Okay. If markets continue to go up, then we continue to add lah. Okay, but don't hold a lot because we don't know the tariff. So far the tariff not finalized, and what we are hearing is there are few things that cannot yet resolved lah. Okay, so you have to be careful lah. If the thing we hear very positive, most of the thing already resolved, then maybe yes lah. So now we have to see lah. So there's some hint talking about 20% lah. But we are not. But those are all rumors lah. Hints are talking about 20%. So we want to wait and see lah. Rumors are talking about 20%. Okay. But those are all rumors lah. Okay. KLCI, look at the chart. Okay. Okay. Yesterday actually pushed back up a bit. Okay, a bit like a hanging man. But today we got a kind of a confirmation lah. Another confirmation candle. Looks like it's unable to break out the mother and son. Looks like it's coming back down to the bottom or even lower. Okay, Ace market dropped 0.94. Ace market also turned around lah. Looks like coming to test the neckline here. 4.5 lah. Okay, 4.5, 4,005. Mid cap 0.49 drop. Also if we break the support here, you see the bulls push out, the bears push up, push down. The bears push up but slightly lower. The bears push down. Now the bulls push again. You see, it's letting less and less energy. Okay, and then the bears may take over then push it down. So the bulls are lacking momentum. You see, every wave they push up, right, they are getting more and more lethargic. Okay, more and more tired. Okay, so we have to wait. Probably this is the point of no return. Okay. 16,507 lah. Once it drop below here, I think it's coming back down lah. Okay. Small cap, okay, small cap also lah. Starting to make lower high already. Okay, drop 0.34. Mid cap drop 0.5. Ace market drop 0.9 lah. Looks like it's coming back down lah. Construction also not doing so well. Okay, construction. Okay, so construction is still like an inside bar lah. It's not too much damage done until it break through 1312 lah. Okay, but you have to be careful lah. Have to be careful lah. Because there are divergence lah. There is one divergence, two divergence yeah. Okay, there are divergence lah. Okay, you need to take note lah. Okay, the chart higher high, but the other side did not make higher high. Okay, so to take note. Look at industry. Industry also stuck here. Okay, flat pattern. If it drop below 151, you have to be careful lah. Below this flag. Okay, below consolidation, then it is coming back down. Telco also. Also wow, Telco supposed to be strong after breakup, but look like losing steam. Also, RSI drop below 50. This is not a good sign. Okay, this is not a good sign. Okay. Hopefully it can hold here lah. 488. If you cannot hold 488, 482 must hold lah. Okay, 482 cannot hold. Trouble. Technology. If technology still okay, 51 it must hold. Okay, if we cannot hold 51, then we have to continue cut down our this technology already. Okay, 51. Maybe I put alarm here lah. Dangerous lah. Scared later one shot drop we didn't notice lah. Okay, put alarm here. 51. Drop below 51. Then danger. Okay, danger zone lah. Highway to the danger zone lah. Okay, so let's check out. Today I got post crypto. In the morning I got post. Where? I thought I post crypto. Here. Okay. Ethereum already surpassed target. Hit target already surpassed target. Litecoin hit target already yesterday. These are target that we put on last time. Okay. SRP also hit the target. Okay. So already hit target short term lah. Okay, long term it might still go higher. You have to wait. Solana almost hit target. Very near to the target. Okay, very near to the target. Okay. Oh, there are some comment. Take a look. John Sniper, of course he's a crypto guy. Okay, John Sniper, awesome. Okay. Joe. Time to sell. You got auto profit. Look at auto profit lah. Long term it might still go higher. But you want to take profit first also okay. But it might retrace a bit. We cannot say lah. But it really hit target. I think it might retrace a bit. Okay, maybe it still can go higher. It's up to you. Okay, if you want to take profit first, wait for the next pattern breakout. You add again. You try again also can, or you take some, keep some, because nobody know how high can it go. Nobody know. Okay, I don't have this how do you call it this magic okay, to tell the SRP how much it should reach okay, we only see the momentum. We know it's going, but okay, how far it can go, nobody can dictate because there are so many million of people investing, buying. How you can dictate? It's not me buying. If me I start buying, then I can dictate okay. So now also almost hit target lah. John Sniper, okay. So he happy lah. John Sniper, okay. Okay, want to sell some, keep some for long term also can. Up to you lah. Okay. Or you just want to take the profit and wait for the next move also can. It's up to you. Okay. Bitcoin. Okay, because you consolidating, if Bitcoin break out, right? Okay, got one more move up. I think all this coin, all this Ethereum, all this might got one more push up lah. Okay, got one more push up lah. Means Ethereum, okay, probably it will push up to where? To the top here, this one, the top channel here lah. Okay, the top here, this high here. Okay, and Bitcoin probably one more push. It will break out. It will be this 125 to 130 area. Okay, Litecoin, you push to the top channel here lah. Okay, SRP. Okay, SRP target really reach up. You have to wait. Maybe we'll make another higher target lah. Okay, Cardano maybe you hit this channel top or even maybe higher here. Okay, Solana. Okay, Solana breakout. Solana might hit this target. Even go higher maybe. Avalanche also might break out and go higher lah. So we have to wait and see lah. So we want to see the next wave lah. Okay, now the current wave finally, I think the push for the current wave is somewhere around here lah. Somewhere here or maybe a little bit higher lah. You have to wait another big push for this altcoin or the other smaller coin we need a Bitcoin breakout lah. I do think like that lah. Okay, or else I mean it still can go higher lah. Maybe hit the resistance here like Litecoin, or maybe resistance here, or maybe we need the next one. Only it will reach here. So we have to. Nobody know lah. Okay, you don't have a crystal ball and tell us tomorrow how far you hit lah. Because every day got different people investing, got new people, new institution investing. So nobody can predict how far you go. Okay. This is a new side. EPF emerges as substantial shareholder of NetGate lah. So finally, means no case left. Of course there is case lah, but you know when EPF still buying, you know EPF still believe this company is good lah. Okay, I'm not saying that no case or those cases not up to EPF, right? It's up to MACC, right? Okay, but they still got belief lah, that this company is good lah. Okay, EPF green when everyone is fearful. Everyone greedy and everyone is fearful. Andrew say lah, tak lau. Okay. Scammer. World largest dam in China comments today. Steel price globally is rising sharply. Diana say lah. Okay. Last Saturday we already talked about watching the steel. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Diana, you are right lah. You have to watch it. Okay. Remember last week we already talked about the steel. Watch the steel. Okay. Sifu, Destiny, Chris, Destiny already target I already told you I already target, hit risk target area already lah. Okay. EFOS, EFOS long time never check out EFOS EFOS after the goreng now keep on going down, and now maybe trying to make a bottom lah. Okay, trying to make a bottom, maybe it's starting to rebound lah. Maybe it's starting to slowly to rebound lah. Okay, so it's making you have to see, right? It's making a head and shoulder, right? Okay, it's making okay. So this one maybe got chance lah. Okay, to rebound, especially if we can break through this resistance lah. Okay, especially 0.28 lah. 0.2, especially 0.10, I think it got chance to rebound. I'm not saying very strong lah, but because it's the price is very low lah. You see, lower than this so people are trying to buying up lah, buy it up a bit lah. Looks like it lah. Tanjong, yeah, top gainers later take a look what's that? Wilson. Pharma, right? ST. Pharma already talked yesterday, right? Pharma already go too far. You want to chase now? I think it's too far lah. It's very near to resistance here already lah. So I'm not chasing lah. Pharma drop already today. Drop already. So because it's very near to the resistance over here lah, at the top here. Okay, the resistance area around here lah. So it's very near. So best not to buy at resistance lah. I'll wait for a drop first. Okay. So today drop lah, expected lah. 美国 open door to Great Tech Mr. DIY. Great Tech. Great Tech, all this you have to wait like I said lah. Great Tech doesn't look good looks like dropping below so have to watch this 1.57 Okay, it should not drop below put an alarm so don't be too hopeful on the don't be too eager to jump in because the tariff negotiation is not doing too well what I hear I'm not saying it's not successful maybe they still come up with a good deal but so far we have to wait so there's no deal yet okay. So Great Tech starting to drop a bit, which is a bit concerning okay. Okay, Mr. DIY didn't break through okay. Mr. DIY didn't break through. Okay, up to you whether you want to take some profit or not. Okay, Mr. DIY, but long term maybe I'll let it run okay. We want to continue and see. As long as stay above here I think it's okay as long as stay above 149 for long term okay. Maybe the next wave we have to wait and see. Give it some room see whether it can still go or not. CHB critical starting to divergence and it's very near the high here so we might start to think of taking some profit okay, taking some profit here, okay, so because it's near this all-time high here, okay, so you have to be careful, especially if we cannot hold this if we cannot hold 91 cent okay, then you might to take some profit okay. KLCI Sandy say need drink Tongkat Ali. KLCI need drink Tongkat Ali. Andy Cook want to goreng want to goreng tak lau. Set lah. MRCB Saipak. MRCB have to give it time you got big project you just give it time, you need to grow If you are short term, maybe maybe take profit here at the top channel but your short term long term maybe you let it grow. Saipak still up remember the breakout we put here, right? We put here at the coffee or at the breakout. Where is it? Saipak right? Just starting to break out, right? Okay, so it's still up right? Breakout, retreat, remember it's making higher it's still going higher but it will take time All these are actual project based one they are not they are not going stock okay, they are not going one day do all these solid company so this one you have to wait you might take time for it to go higher as long as it stay above 80 cent okay, as long as stay above 80 cent, it drop below 80 then be careful okay, John Sniper, my battery low. Okay, let's look at news.
EPF emerges as substantial shareholder in NATIONGATE.
Okay, 5.1% direct stake. Okay, that's why I said NetGate not yet totally KO not KO yet Now it's still as long as stay about 1.39 still okay but no momentum with the investigation. I'm not saying if you go up, confirm you go up, it might still drop if the investigation go even the come out the bad news, continue bad news come out it might drop some more but long term EPF is confident okay, that this is a good company normally they buy company that is okay good they don't buy crap company of course okay. So I'm not saying if you got sure you will go up but there is hope okay. For now it's okay as long as stay above 1.39 I think it's okay, but you're out already, never mind, wait for it to break to 1.67 only jump in so now probably nothing much will happen. EPF is long term EPF will not buy tomorrow, buy today, sell tomorrow. So they maybe hold it 1 year, few years, 10 years, 20 years maybe also.
Aneka Jaringan wins RM72.
Aneka Jaringan wins RM72 mil DC works job.
Okay.
Aneka Jaringan Holdings BHD via its wholly owned subsidiary, Aneka Jaringan SDN BHD, has accepted a letter of award from Quantum Alpha SDN BHD to undertake the piling works for a data center, DC, at Eco Business Park the 5th, Selangor.
Okay, up 3%. It went up and then got sell down okay, so I'm not very keen this one 17 cents I said okay, it's the 2 volatile 17 cents so I'm not trying this one. The best if you want it to go up long term the best you need to stay above 17 cents then only long term maybe okay It's just short term one push but still not positive, not make higher high still you need to, for it to go up long term it need to break 17 cents okay.
United Plantations 2Q net profit rises 34.1 PCT to RM 249.38 mil.
Okay, last year 546 million revenue, now 638, good. Profit 185 to 249 million, so up 31% YOY QOQ up 52%. United. You see Oh, when the company is doing so well, it's already very high lah. Too high to chase for me lah. Too high to chase lah. Okay, I think it's too high to chase lah. Okay, unless it break through 23, maybe lah 23.16, maybe you want to think lah. But now I think too high. Also, you see bank target also exceed already and starting to flat out lah. Okay, I don't.
Kaya Mata Sarawak awards RM 673 meters EPCC contract to double annual clinker capacity.
Also, this clinker capacity. Clinker is, I think, a material to make cement or something like that lah.
Kaya Mata Sarawak BHD, KL, CMSB, has appointed Sonoma Industry Engineering, SDNBHD, a subsidiary of China's Tianjin Cement Industry Design and Research Institute, TCDRI, as the engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning, EPCC, contractor to build a new 6,000-ton per day clinker line at its Mambong integrated plant in Kuching.
Okay, so double this production okay, so it's good lah, but still okay, trying to break out, but after breakout, look like trying to break back down, also not so good, drop 2.2. This one, if tomorrow drop again, then cut down, okay, it's not doing so that well also. It should have continued up, but it did not, so this could be a false break, so you have to be careful. You need to stay above, 1.29. If few days in a row, it cannot stay above 1.29, then maybe this is a false break lah. Mean tak jadi lah, okay, the breakout.
PJBUMI to provide bioreactor technology to process municipal solid waste in Indonesia.
Okay, good for them lah. PJBUMI. Oh, too high already lah. Too high to chase. Breakout. I think almost near the top here lah. I'm not keen to chase lah. I think it really went too far. Went too far to chase lah.
Choppy 3Q offers buying opportunities ahead of recovery. KLSE target holds at 1,640 HLIB.
So year-end target lah, 1640 lah. Okay, so KLSE. So let's see. Okay, now it's 14. Now it's 1519 lah. So 1460 lah. Means a breakout. Breakout. Okay, breakout. This one should continue go up lah. Hopefully lah. Okay, especially if breakout from this channel lah. 1564 lah. We can break up 1564, then I think all this target can go lah. So
Another hit for SUNCON as stock dips post EPF share sale.
okay, so EPF, this one lah. Okay. This one.
Sunway Construction Group BHD, SUNCON, saw its shares tumble less than a week after the Employees Provident Fund, EPF, ceased to be a substantial shareholder in the company.
Okay.
SUNCON brushes off corruption concerns, reaffirms growth outlook.
Okay, so you still think it can grow lah. Okay. Another one is this one lah.
SUNCON may face temporary data center tender risks after graft probe, but fundamentals intact,
okay.
Analysts.
So this might got risk on this investigation on this this tender lah, contract tender lah. Okay. So that's why lah, another concern, another drop lah. That's why I say lah, all this case one better don't hold lah. So it's dangerous lah. Okay. Continue drop. Russia got this check I've got 6.3 what they call it, scalar Richter, something the earthquake okay.
SD Guthrie set to recur earnings of Rm 500 mil to Rm 1 bill over next 5 years from industrial developments, land disposal, RHB.
Okay. So they have a target 5.45 RSP quite high here. $5.45 okay. Last time was 5.6 so now it's 5.45 okay. So SD Guthrie really starting to break out so long term SD Guthrie might be on its way up so you have to watch this one okay. SD Guthrie. So it managed to recover the channel okay, recover rebound from the channel. So that's why I say SD Guthrie is long term you have to hold long term to get some dividend to get it to move because it's moved very slow okay.
Malaysia strengthens response to US tariffs, focuses on strategic industries.
Okay, so they want to respond to the tariff okay. When they want to have emergency response, seems like negotiation done not so good but we don't know just guess only
Investment promotion agencies, IPAs, across the country will continue working closely with state governments to ensure that local industries in each state are not adversely affected by the United States, US, tariff issue. Investment, Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Abdul Aziz said the government's establishment of the National Geoeconomic Command Centre, NGCC, would play a key role in monitoring, evaluating, and coordinating responses to shifts in the global trade landscape, including tariff shocks and non-tariff barriers. This effort aims to ensure that the country's strategic and economic industries remain resilient and competitive in an increasingly challenging and uncertain global environment, he said in the Dewan Rakyat. Responding to a question from Mode Seahir Che Sulaiman, PN Bachok.
Okay, so hopefully we can get lower tariff okay. This is probably just a preparation for the tariff
2 UUE Holdings Units Inc. MOU with Asian Cable Ship for Offshore HDD Project. UUE Holdings Birds Units, Connection Engineering Private Limited and CumFat Engineering SDNBHD have inked a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with Asian Cable Ship Private Limited to provide horizontal directional drilling HDD services for offshore telecommunications and infrastructure projects in the Asia-Pacific region.
Okay, UUE. UUE head and shoulder and reach target also now the news you see already moved so far, the news only come out so if you jump in now probably it's a bit late I think. Okay, and the RSI also starting to go flat already okay. No, I mean not making higher high so do be careful okay. Okay, quick message before continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel okay. All the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView and this Luno. Okay, you use my link you can get some reward some discount, all these things so you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder very friendly guy okay. If you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. If you want to open this trading view, this chart software that I'm using lah. You can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link lah. Okay. Okay. Check out some top gainers. Get Tanjong IBRACO sign. Okay, Tanjong is still consolidating lah. It's not like it's going anywhere. It's just consolidating over here. Unless you got big volume punch through 0.83, then maybe want to go higher. But this one recognize UMA, so you have to be careful lah. Okay, 5% up lah, but it's still not yet breakthrough 0.8 lah. Best if we can break through 0.83, then maybe the next momentum lah will come. But it's still stuck. I mean, it's still in the sideways pattern. The target we already measure, right? The target we hit already now, so we have to wait for next consolidation. Okay, next pattern and a breakout. Then only we have to chase. We have to wait for the next one. Sign. Okay, signature. Unable to break through head and shoulder. Doesn't look so. Yeah, got some momentum, but doesn't look so good lah. Okay, a bit high. Got some momentum. See, tomorrow if we got big volume break to 1.44, then maybe got chance to go. It was 1.44 lah. But today not enough momentum lah. 4% up. 200 over 1,000 to 400,000. Was maybe 1.44 lah. IBRACO, I think very near to the resistance over here lah. I think not a good time to chase lah. Got some momentum today, and I think there's big resistance big resistance around this area, especially here lah. I think not a good time to chase unless you can break to 1.27 GCB 4%. I was just trying to rebound from the bottom here lah, but I don't think it's good time to chase lah. Okay, don't think. MSC, MSC is trying to rebound. MSC already got this stock split Okay. MSC is still in this channel lah. Okay, as long as in this channel is fine lah. Okay, as long as in this channel is fine lah. So it should not drop below here lah. Okay. You have to give some room lah. Okay, not drop below 1.11 lah. HEXTECH. HEXTECH today 1.69, nothing much lah. HEXTECH slight momentum just now, but nothing much happening. FPHP. FPHP. Farm price. Dropped 1.2% already. Just like some of the top gainers, but not lah. It's not a top gainer. Okay, it went down lah. So nothing much happening. Drop during closing lah. So this one if you are into this one, so you have to watch lah. I need to break through here lah for long term. For short term, it's still going up lah, but long term, it have to go to 50 cents. Okay. And also today CEB okay, maybe was CEB lah. Okay. CEB breakout so CEB finally, I think CEB is coming lah. So you already make double bottom here. You also make a slight head and shoulder. I think it's coming back to. I said if we break to 305, I think got chance to come to 0.39. This one you might want to watch lah. So finally the red color is coming lah. Finally, it's trying to make a rebound for this one CEB after so long Okay. after so long, so finally it's trying to rebound. Okay, CB got some momentum lah. I think potential lah 0.39 or still potential. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.